Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Block Tech Tips. And of course guys, I have a quick one today. And I don't know if this will be of any importance to anyone. But of course these things might come in handy. And this is a 38 pack of baby proofing outlet plugs. And of course these are great in case you want to secure the plugs in your homes to make sure kids cannot mess with the outlets. So if you have a small baby and you're trying to baby proof the place, this one comes highly rated, and of course it's named it's listed on Amazon as baby proofing outlet plugs, and it's from PRObebi No, easy to remove plugs, and you can see it here. It's $9 for the pack. You can actually pick these up for yourself. Again, you can check out the general look. It's 38 pack, and of course it's baby proof. They can be removed easily. And if you look very carefully, there's a coupon code right here. If you click this coupon code, you do get 25% off. That would save you another $2 or $1 or so, which of course will make this very affordable. I bought these to baby proof the house. Again guys, you can check these out. PRObebi, it says growing safety, and of course it comes in this general pack. There's also a QR code on the back, and it says baby things EN71-3 reach 704. First I'm going to open this up. It does have a tear tab, and the tear tab is to make sure that the seal is broken. And here we go, I've broken this seal, and I think this is Ziploc capable, meaning as soon as you're finished it should be able to be resealed. So I'm just going to tear this open. There we go. Alright, these smell quite fresh, and of course I'm going to take out just a few, and there you go guys. So this will fit into a plug. Once it's fit into the plug, you can notice there are 3 prongs. Some of these have 2 prongs. I rather the 3-prong version. And of course to get it out, simply pull on the tab here by this way and push and up, meaning you'll secure like this. In terms of its design, well designed. And I'm going to test out one of these right now, so just give me a minute. And by the way, let me just show off the package. Here we go. Alright, and here's the entire bag. Here's the entire bag. Alright, so as I said, you can get these for $9. Let's check this out at the plug. Alright guys, so we're at the plug right now. Here we have the outlet safety plug. Notice the design. And of course I'm going to place this in. Notice it goes right in, and of course once it goes in, it's quite solid to remove. It's quite easy. So this is kind of a tutorial video. Simply do this. Of course you can lift right here, then you're going to pull, and of course these are quite tight, so you might have to nudge them a bit. And of course this is because it will become worked in after a while. So as you see, it fits snug and they work perfect, and that's how to child-proof these outlets for our kids' safety. And of course guys, as you saw, these are working perfectly. Alright, so just in case you need any of these, I'll put the link in the description. You can check them out yourselves. And of course these are great for any household with a lot of outlets, and of course all houses have outlets, as we might know. And of course this is where you can protect your children. Alright guys, so this is Ricardo Garden as usual from Block Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.